Hello student. Now in this session we learn about the frame tag or how we can create a frame in HTML. Actually the frame is we can say when we have to divide the web page in a separate section or the different file if you want to open there in a single web page, then we are dividing a frame or we can use there the frame tag in HTML. The frame in HTML, the frame are used to divide the browser window into a multiple section so that each section can load and display a separate web page or we can see the separate file. A collection of frame is known as a frame set. A window can be divided into frame horizontally or vertically, or we can say in a column or in a row. The frame screen we can divide as in vertical also, or we can use there for separate in a row also. So this is called about the frame set. It is depend on your choice, whatever your requirement. According to that only you can divide the web page maybe in a column, or you can divide it the web page in a row also. Then after the frame set, when we are dividing the frame set, or when we are using the frame set, here we are using some attributes like SRC. After creating a frame, then we are using the SRC attribute. SRC means the source or the file or the web page, which one you want to open there in a separate section. So according to that, now I am showing you how we can create a frame or how we can create a frame in a different column or in a row. So first of all, I am writing here the title, then frame, then title and then head. Here no need to use there the body tag. It means whenever you are creating a frame, then no need to use there the body tag. Directly after closing the title or the head tag, you can write there frame set. Okay, so now I am writing frame set. Here I am using the frame set, and then you can use the other frame set continuously. Okay, the frame set and then equal. After this frame set and then equal, you can write there the column value or the row value, which is there in a percentage. The total screen size is there 100%, and if you want to divide the screen in a column and you want there the two column only, then we have to write there frame set column 50%, comma, again you can write there the 50% because you want to divide the screen in a two separate section only. So then we are writing in inverted, you can write here 50% and then comma, and then again you can write there 50% and then close that inverted comma and then angle. So here now frame set equal 50% comma 50%. After this we can write there the frame SRC, because this tag will be divide the screen in a two separate section. If we want to divide the row, then what we have to write here, we can write the row. Now, if we want to divide the column, then what we have to write here, we can write the column. Frame set columns equal, because we want to divide the column. But if we want to divide in a row, then what we have to write here, we can write frame set rows equal, and the rows value, how many rows you require here, the same you can write there for row also. So now the frame SRC, I am writing the frame SRC equal frame1.html, then to angle also. Then the next one, why 2 SRC is there? Because we are dividing the screen in a two section. It means that 2 SRC are here. So now I am writing the next one SRC, frame SRC equal, in inverted you can write frame2.html. Okay, frame2.html, and then here we can close frame set. Okay, then save this file. Here I am saving this file with the name of frame, and the title also I am taking there the frame. Now if you run this file up, you can close this and run the file name is your frame. Close this file. Now see. two sections are there. The first one is there, this section, and the second one is there, the second section is there. Because we are writing, divide the column, divide the web page in a two particular column, then it is divided in a two particular column. Why it's showing the separate one section? Because no file is there. We are writing there just the default value frame1.html. If you want to open the separate file, then what we have to write here, we can write the src, and then you can write the file name which one you want to open there. So now here, if I want to open here the file and my one file name is there, we can search the file. My one file is there, the font, this I am opening here. So here I am writing the font.html. Here you can write the file name which is already there or which is in a system. You can write the file name which you want to show there in a separate section in this particular web page. So here I am writing font.html. This one, the file name font.html. You need to use there the second HTML. One time we can write there, then save and then run. Okay, now see, font.html having this separate web page, so it is opening here. If you want to open in this section also, then what we have to write, the second file name you can write here in this section. You can write the second file name. So I am searching the next file name also. The next file name it is there like a text style. So this I am writing text style. So here you can write text style.html. So I am writing here text space then style. Okay, already HTML is here. Save it and then run. So now you can see two separate files are opening on that particular web page. The one is there, this one, and the second one is there, this. If you want more section are there, then what we have to write here, you can change the value because the total is there 100. So now if I am writing here 30 and here I am writing the 40. So now it is there 70%, the max 30% if you want there, then what we have to do, we can use there the comma again. After this you can use there the comma and then you can write the 30%. Okay, then save, and the next file you can write, like if I am writing frame3.html, it is only the default frame is there. I am writing here frame3.html. First of all, we can write frame src equal frame3.html, and this you can write in inverted comma. So here we can use the inverted also, and then save this file and then open it. Now you can see the third column is there. If you are writing a file name in this area also, then automatically it should be contained on one particular web page also. So like this you can divide in a row also. Same way you can write here only you can change the value. Like here we are writing the column. Now here you can write the row. It means you want to divide the frame in a row or horizontally you want to divide the frame, then you can write their code. Column are divide the web page in a particular vertically column, but if you want to use the rows, then it should be there in a horizontally. So this is depend on your percentage. Like now 3 columns is there. If you want there the more, then according to your you can write there the more percentage, but the total is there 100 only. No need to use there the body tag. After closing the title tag, directly you can start writing the frame set, and when you have to complete the frame src, then you should be close there the frame set. Okay, thank you.